I'm back with a brand new product for review, and today I have another toddler toy that is the RATNA'S Hula Hoop. So babies and toddlers are very excited and very much attracted to fancy colors, and today what I have is a RATNA Hula Hoop, which is multicolor hula hoop here, and it's a detachable hula hoop, so it is very easy to carry along anywhere you all want to. So guys, this is a product we are going to review today. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. So the packaging is very simple. It comes in this plastic wrap. So it comes in this plastic bag right here, and on top we have the RATNA'S branding right here in this corner here, and the name of the product is Hula Hoop. Little because it's for toddlers. Lightweight, durable, sturdy, good for fitness freaks. Diameter of this hula hoop is 55 centimeters, so not something for the adults, but this is for toddlers here, right? So the age group mentioned here is 4+. This is for 4+ age group. And for product overview, you can scan this the QR code that comes with the product. Right, now coming to the MRP of this product, the MRP is ₹90, so not very expensive. It's a very cheap product here, only for ₹90. And hula hoop is an amazing product because it will help your child exercise and keep active as well. Something very exciting about this, I really like it. It's good for fitness, it's a fun activity for kids, and parents can play lots of games with their kids with this hula hoop. So let's go ahead and quickly unpack this product. So it has 4 stapler pins which I need to pull out, and we have taken this off, and we'll just open the plastic. And inside the plastic what we have is we have these 8 pieces of hula hoop right here, and we have 2 pieces of each color, so we have a total 8 pieces. We have 2 pieces of each color, so we have total 4 colors here, right? We have green, we have orange, we have fluorescent green, and we have blue. So let's go ahead and attach this and make this amazing multicolored hula hoop. So very easy to attach. One side is which goes in the male and female joint here. So here is the open tunnel, and this one goes in here. And there's a groove, so it gets attached in there, right, like this. So you can keep on attaching it easily. So go on attaching it. So I'm just putting all different color ones. And I'll put a green one. Fluorescent one. Yeah, I will put the orange one. So here is a hula hoop, 55 centimeter diameter one that we have, and complete. Very lightweight and an amazing hula hoop here. Very lightweight, very stable and sturdy hula hoop this is. And the best part about this detachable thing is because say your child is younger, like he's a 4-year-old, you don't need to have a 55-inch hula hoop. It's like too big for them. Right? You can just remove one part and make it smaller. And this is much better for a 4-year-old, right? So perfect size for them. If you think you need it a bit more smaller, you can remove another attachment and make it even more smaller. So you can see this. So it becomes, you can just keep detaching and making the hoops smaller by detaching, like removing one piece of it and making a smaller hoop. So this is like a little more smaller one here with just 5 parts to it. So like this you can keep on adding, removing pieces, and again make the hoop into multiple sizes as required. So this is very nice. I really liked it. The plastic quality is a bit like not the best quality, I would say, but what do you expect at ₹90, right? So It does the work of the hula hoop. Not the most durable product though, but it is good enough for some fun activity at home with the kids. So guys, if you are looking to buy the RATNA'S hula hoop, it's available on Amazon. I'll left a link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.